Hello everyone, in this video we are going to perform an activity of mathematics. The aim of the activity is to find the coordinates of the centroid of a triangle whose coordinates of vertices are given and verify the same by using the formula. So let's discuss some theory related to this activity by understanding the concept of midpoint and median of triangle. So what is midpoint? So let us consider a line AB. If O is midpoint of the line AB, then OA will be equal to OB. A midpoint is a point which bisects the line into two equal parts. So now let's understand what is median of a triangle. So for understanding the concept of median, I am going to draw a triangle. Let this be a triangle ABC. So a median is a line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of the opposite line. That is, BO is a median of triangle ABC, as it is a line segment joining the vertex to the midpoint of opposite line. So the centroid of a triangle is the point where all the three medians of the triangle meet. This is the second median drawn from point C, and this is the third median drawn from point A towards BC. So this point, that is S, is centroid of triangle ABC. Material required in this activity are pins, drawing board, scale, tracing paper, pencil, sketch pen, graph paper. Now let's start the activity. I have made the coordinate x's using sketch pen for visibility purpose. You should always use a pencil. Now let's mark the coordinates 0, 3. So here 0, 3. -2, -5. So -2, -5. And 6, -3. Now let's join these coordinates with the help of sketch pen and scale. Let this coordinate be A, that is 0, 3. Let this coordinate be B, that is -2, -5. Let this coordinate be C, that is 6, -3. Now I am going to trace the triangle which I have obtained on the graph sheet of paper using sketch pen and trace paper. I am using sketch pen for better visibility. You have to only use pencil. So now let's trace the triangle. Now I am going to pin out this trace paper and I am going to find the midpoints of the traced triangle. Now I am going to find the midpoint of sides AC, BC and AB by paper folding method. So now I am going to fold this tracing paper such that A coincides with C. So we will press it gently to find the midpoint, and when we are going to open it, then we are going to find the midpoint. So now this is midpoint of line AC, that is R. Let us suppose R. Similarly, I am going to find midpoints of sides AB. You will fold the paper such that A coincides with point B. Press it gently. Now open the tracing paper. This is the midpoint. So mark it as P. Similarly, I will fold the paper alongside BC such that B coincides with point C. So now press it gently, open it. This is the midpoint. Mark it as Q. Now place the tracing paper over the triangle which is obtained on the graph sheet. Now join CP using sketch pen and scale, AQ and PR. So now this is G, that is centroid of triangle. Now place the traced triangle on the original triangle and trace the centroid on the graph sheet. Now with the help of compass, I am marking the midpoint by pressing the lower side of compass gently in the graph paper, so that we can mark them on graph sheet. So now, -1 and -1. -1 is the x coordinate and -1 lower is the y coordinate. This is P. Now Q is 2, that is x coordinate, and -4, that is y coordinate. So Q R, that is 3, that is x coordinate, comma 0, as it doesn't touches y axis. So now these PQ are the midpoints of the respective sides. Now I am going to join this midpoint to the opposite side. This is the median. Similarly, this midpoint P to the opposite vertex C, and this midpoint R to the opposite corner, that is B. So this is our G. Coordinates of G, that is centroid, is 1.4 on the x-axis and minus 1.7, that is negative y-axis. So 1.4 comma minus 1.7. Now we will find coordinates of G, that is our centroid of triangle, using the formula for centroid of triangle. So formula for centroid of triangle is x1 plus x2 plus x3 divided by 3 comma y1 plus y2 plus y3 divided by 3, where x1, x2, x3 are coordinates of x of point A, B and C respectively, and y1, y2, y3 are coordinates of y of point A, B and C respectively. So coordinates of point A in triangle ABC is equal to 0, 3. Similarly, coordinates of point B in triangle ABC is equal to minus 2, minus 5. Coordinates of point C in triangle ABC is equal to, C point is here 6, minus 3. So our x1 is 0, value of x1 is 0, x2 is minus 2 and x3 is 6. Similarly, y1 is 3, y2 is minus 5 and y3 is minus 3. So substituting the value in above formula, we have, now after substituting the value, this comes out to be 4 by 3 and y coordinate comes out to be minus 5 by 3. So on solving, we have 1.4 negative 1.7. So this is value of G, which is equal to minus 1.4 minus 1.7, which matches the value of G obtained from graphical method. I hope you understood how to find the coordinates of centroid of a triangle. Thank you and have a nice day.